So we are making progress on the construction. The cats are inspecting that everything is going good. So the hole is a little bit bigger now. Right now you cannot see exactly how everything is going to looking because we're still making a hole, but you can see where there the difference. It doesn't have any shape or form right now, and it still is very muddy. Igor, Igor, Igor. We're checking that everything is going good. Nadia still needs a little bit. How many months more?
2.
It says probably 2 more months to be finished. Almost, well, at least the outside part.
Yes, the concrete. Then we have to do doors and windows.
So let's see how it goes. It's looking with some progress so far.